This is a cheap and secure fix for failed LEDs in the high-level third brake light of the XK8. Of course, the simple and expensive solution would be to replace the full brake light fitting. The part number is LJB 5000AB. A pre-owned part costs around $300 on eBay, and there seems to always be some available. Be careful though, there are differences between the convertible and the coupe. The full fittings are also available from aftermarket suppliers as new, but I'm not sure that I'd be too keen on buying one from Latvia. Perhaps a good test of eBay's return policy. But why spend $300 if the fitting's working and in good condition? Then you can replace the individual failed LEDs. You could also replace the whole LED strip panel that's inside the fitting. Perhaps a better solution, but it does require cutting some wires. In my case though, I replaced the individual LEDs and had a friendly auto electrician desolder the 3 failed LEDs and solder in the new white LEDs, which I sourced from Jaguar in Australia for $1.90 each, and the link's in the description below. It's somewhat different in price between the $300 plus $50 to freight to Australia. The LEDs are also available from Amazon in some countries, and there's a link in the description below, or elsewhere, just Google this name. And to remove the brake light fitting, it's easy. It's accessible on the coupe from the parcel shelf. And just be careful of the plastic clips, as they're likely to be pretty brittle after 20 years in the sun. The LED strip just unplugs, so that the individual LEDs can be removed and the new ones resoldered. The panel can then be placed back in the housing and clipped back into place. Pretty easy really. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this quick video and that you've learnt a bit more about the beautiful XK8. Please like and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell to be notified when I publish more videos.